Alright traders, let's walk through next week fundamentals one step at a time, no rush, just clarity. So we will shift to the weekly time frame and see what news are coming. On Sunday, November 30, first we begin this week with Japan. At 8:05 p.m., the Bank of Japan Governor Ueda speaks. Whenever a central bank governor speaks, the market listens. Yen pairs move sharply, so if you trade USD JPY or other JPY pairs, stay light and stay patient. On the Monday at 10 am, we get the ISM manufacturing PMI for the US. The forecast is 49.0, just slightly above the previous 48.7. This tells us how healthy the manufacturing sector is. Below 50 means contraction and above 50 means expansion. Not a massive number but important for USD sentiment. On the Wednesday, December 3, Wednesday is a bit heavier. First, at 8:15 am, we have the ADP non-farm employment change. This gives us an early look at the labor market before NFP. Forecast is 19k, much lower than the previous 42k. That signals some potential slowdown, and slowdowns always affect the dollar. Then at 10 am, we get ISM services PMI services. Then at 10 am, we get ISM services PMI services are a huge part of US economy. Forecast is 52.0, almost the same as before. Stable data. But even a small miss can move USD pairs. On Thursday, December 4 at 8:30 am, we have unemployment claims. The forecast is 220k, slightly above the previous 216k. Not dramatic, but remember the labor market is the backbone of economy. Any surprises here can create volatility. Friday, December 5. Friday is the most important day, so pay attention. At 10 am, we got the core PCE price index, and this right here is the Federal Reserve favorite inflation metric. At 10 am, we got the core price PCE index, and this right here is the Federal Reserve favorite inflation metric. Forecast is 0.2%, same as the last time, but even a tiny shift can push the dollar up or down. Next, we have consumer sentiment forecast 52.0. This tells us how confident people feel about the economy. And finally, the inflation expectation forecast is 4.5%. When people expect higher inflation, the Fed tightens. When expectation drops, the Fed relaxes. The single number can influence long-term USD direction. So that's the roadmap for the week. Take it slow, mark your levels and respect the news. You don't need to catch every move, you only need to stay prepared. Trade safe and I'll guide you through the next one.